Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup Stripe customer CRM contacts list exports, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the Stripe website. Log into your Stripe account using your credentials. Once logged in, locate the Customers tab on the left sidebar. Click on the Customers tab to access your customer CRM. In the Customers section, you will see a list of all your registered customers. Look for the Export feature, usually represented by an Export button. Click on the Export button to initiate the download process. A dialog box may appear, prompting you to select the format for the export. Choose your preferred format, typically CSV for easy integration. Confirm your selection and click the Export or Download button. Your file will begin downloading to your computer. After the download is complete, navigate to the folder where the file was saved. Open the downloaded file to verify that the customer data is complete. It's a good practice to back up this data in multiple locations. Consider uploading this file to a secure cloud storage service for added safety. Label the file with a clear name and date for easy identification later. Keep the backup safe and regularly updated following each addition of new customers. Repeat this process regularly to ensure your customer list is always backed up. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.